Welcome to Kuma's Kitchen, and tonight a simple one-pot dish. See, I've been doing tour after tour after tour. It's been really busy. A lot of tourists are coming to Japan right now and just didn't have time for anything fancy. So when you're in a hurry, you want to do something simple, well, this Tex-Mex chicken and rice just might be the answer because, boy, it's quick and easy to make and you do it all in one pot. So what's in here? Well, there's of course the rice and the chicken. There's also some corn, some black beans, tomato, and, well, it wouldn't be Kuma's Kitchen without some cheese. So yes, there's cheddar cheese in there. Oh yeah. You want some of that? So let's go in the kitchen and make it right now. Nice thing about this recipe is that, well, there's just simple ingredients. Across the front, well, there's a quarter cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of ground paprika, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of salt. Then here, 1.5 cups of rice. Of course, this is my short grain Japanese rice, but you can use other rice. 1 large onion chopped up, 1 can of chopped tomatoes. So it says chopped, a little crushed looking, but any canned tomatoes will actually do the job here. Then across the back here, what I've got 1 can of corn kernels, rinsed and drained, 1 can of black beans, rinsed and drained. So I just put them both here in the colander. Over here, 1.5 pounds or 680 grams of chicken thigh, and I've chopped up into small bite-sized pieces. Then across the back, well, that is 2 cups of chicken stock. Now, we're ready to go. We got the big cast iron pot here. Any deep pot will do. Nice thing, again, this is just a one-pot dish, so everything's gonna get cooked in here. First thing I want to do, let's bring that temperature up to medium heat. And then I'm going to put in the olive oil. Bring that up to heat a bit just until it starts getting a little fragrant. And then that surface starts dancing a little bit. Well, in goes the onions. Now I'm going to cook the onions for about 5 minutes. I just want to soften up a little bit before we add in other ingredients. So see you back here in 5 minutes. All right, those onions are just about ready. So while they're doing their last minute, put that to one side. What I want to do here, you get a bowl. I'm going to throw the chili powder and the paprika and the salt into this bowl. Give it a little stir around, mix that around a bit, and then I'm going to toss the chicken in there. What I'm doing now is toss that chicken around and get it coated with some of that chili powder, paprika, and salt mixture. So let's get that around there. That's looking pretty good. Okay, onions are ready. So, in goes the chicken. Put that over there. All right, now, stir that around a little bit. Get that frying. What I do now is cook that chicken for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just brown it up a little bit. And then we'll be ready for the next addition. So see you back here for about 8 to 10 minutes. All right, that's been cooking for about 8 minutes and it's looking and smelling good. What I do now is going to add in the rice. I'm also going to add in the beans and the corn. And then stir that in. Let's get a little hot. Stir that in and cook this, stirring around a bit for about, hot, for about 4 or 5 minutes. You get a little browning, some of that rice, and that's just gonna look really good. Look at that, that's looking good already. And we still got a couple more ingredients to go yet. All right, see you back here in about 4 or 5 minutes. All right, it's been cooking for a few minutes. I've been stirring around. Now it's time to add in the liquid. All right, put that in there. Let's stir up anything that maybe got stuck to the bottom a bit while I was cooking. That seems fine, but just in case, just kind of go around, see if there's anything to deglaze. I'm gonna add in the tomatoes. Stir that all in. All right, let's get that distributed out throughout. Okay, gonna bring that to a simmer, and I'm gonna simmer it away. Gonna bring the cover, throw a cover on there, simmer it away. Oh, it's come to a simmer already. All right, I gotta go grab my cover. I'm gonna simmer that covered for about 15 to 20 minutes, just till the rice has absorbed a bunch of that liquid and is tender. And then we're ready for one final, little secret thing that I didn't show you yet, but we're gonna add something extra. See you then. All right, that's been cooking away for about 15 minutes. Just giving it the occasional stir, going across the bottom so it don't stick to anything to the bottom. And it looks like the rice has nicely absorbed a lot of the liquid, and we have a piece of it there. The rice is cooked. All right, that is ready to go. So now I'm going to turn the heat off, and I'm going to add in that extra ingredient. And of course, because this is Kuma's Kitchen and you know how I love my cheese, that extra ingredient is 6 ounces or 170 grams of cheddar cheese grated. All I'm gonna do, mix it in. Don't have to do much because the heat of that rice and all is gonna cook it. So I just want to mix it in there and let it melt. And that did it. All right. Looking good. Look at that. Now I've got a bit of cheesiness throughout there. That simple dinner, ready to go. Didn't have to put much work into it. Yay. All right, if you like simple recipes like this, something that's quick and easy to make and all in one pot, well, stick around on the channel and have a look, because there's a lot more of these original Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen, and a lot of them are very easy, simple ingredients, quick to make, one pot dishes. So go, check it out, make yourself something for dinner. And now go and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.